Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was just filming this look that you guys are seeing right now. I will leave the link down below, and I'm gonna try to put it over here so you can guys see how I achieve it. So yeah, I was thinking why not add a little bit more of curls to my hair because it was curly from yesterday, but as you can see they're gone already. So I wanted to show you how I do my curls with a curling iron, which I'm gonna use this one that I got from Sally. It's called the Hot Shot Tools. I'm gonna use this one. I already have a video on how I curl it with a flat iron, which I will also leave the link down below, and I'll leave it over here too so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna start by dividing my hair. I'm gonna put it on a bun. I'm gonna split it like this. So I have like a lot of hair, so I'm gonna put this back and I'm gonna curl this one first. The curling iron, it's hot already, so I'm going to put it like this, and I'm gonna wrap my hair around it like this, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of hair out. I'm sorry that the cable is in my face. I'm gonna leave it for about 15-20 seconds, and I'm gonna let it down like this. It's not the most perfect curl, but you know, I'm not a professional. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. I'm gonna repeat the same process that I did at the beginning. I think I want to incorporate more hair tutorials to my channel because I feel like everything is just makeup, and yeah, I feel like I want to do everything related to beauty. So if you guys want to see more hair tutorials, please let me know. I can do some hairstyles and stuff if you guys are interested in that. Also, this morning I did a Facebook group in which I would like you guys to go and check it out. I will leave the link down below so you guys can join. You can show me your looks that you do. You can share your YouTube videos. You can do lives. You can ask me any question that you have, and we can be friends, and we can all grow together. I don't know if you guys are interested in that. Go check it out, which I think it will be fun. And it doesn't have to be necessary just makeup. We can talk about skincare, we can talk about fashion, we can talk about fitness and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you should definitely check it out. As you can see, I'm curling my hair away from my face. You can do some out of your hairs away from your face, and some you can do facing your face, so it looks a little bit more messy if you like that kind of look. Alright, so now that I only have the front part of my hair left, I'm gonna divide it on the middle like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm gonna do the front part again away from my face, because I don't want the hairs to be on my face. I have a lot of I have less hair now because I used to have a lot and my mom cut it for me and it was longer too, but since I don't have as much hair as before, it's a lot easier and a lot quicker to do my hair. This took me probably less than 20 minutes, and before it was probably about an hour, because it was way too long and it was a lot of hair, because I'm the kind of girl that has way too much hair. Alright, so now I'm done. I can leave it like this, or I can run my fingers through it so it looks a little bit more messy. I know a way to make your hair look curly but with a lot of volume, so if you guys are interested on seeing that one, please let me know and I can definitely get it up for you guys. So yeah, I know a lot of ways to do curls, so just let me know if you have any question or you're interested on knowing one way to do it. I can also film again how I do it with the flat iron if you guys want to see it, because I know that the one that I filmed before doesn't look as good as this camera, so I can definitely film that. And also, if you're interested in any type of hairstyle, like let's say daily hairdos and stuff like that, I can definitely get those up for you. Anything related to hair, please let me know, and if I don't know how to do it, I'll look how to do it and I'll show you guys. So yeah, I'm sorry, I know I'm talking a lot, but I like talking to you guys. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to go and check out the makeup tutorial that I have on this look that I'm wearing right now. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. So yeah, thank you all for tuning in today. Thank you for listening to me talk a lot, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends so they can see how to do curls with a curling iron. I love you all so much, and I'll send you a lot of kisses and hugs. So yeah.
Payback is a bad bitch, and baby, I'm the baddest. You fucking with a savage. Can't have this, can't have this.